Today, we're taking a look at the Alfa Romeo GTV kit. Today's What's in the Box. Let's get to it. Hey everyone, and welcome into the garage for today's What's in the Box. And we're taking a look at the Alfa Romeo GTV kit from Tamiya. This kit was initially released in 1996. I'm not sure if, and as far as I can tell, I can see there has not been a reissue of it since. So basically this was a one and done tooling kit from Tamiya. So with that, let's jump into it and check it out. And getting started with the body, as you can see, the front clip is pretty much separate, at least most of it. Part of the front fenders are still molded to the body. And getting started with the chassis, body, engine parts tree. Yes, this does have an engine. And now moving on to the next and last main parts tree. This will be the interior and some more chassis suspension parts tree. Let's take a look at the interior bucket. Now the clear parts tree. Now moving on to the wheels parts tree, which you see has the wheels, also has the front headlight bucket, the rear view mirrors, faces, and the exhaust tip. Now take a look at the tires, and you get a set of Michelin tires. And in the same tire baggie, a thing of mesh screen is included. Now we'll take a look at the decal sheet, and also a metal transfer sheet is included as well for the scripts, emblems. So that is going to about do it for this look at the Alfa Romeo GTV kit from Tamiya. And of course, if you want to get yourself some Alfa Romeo color matched paint, pretty sure Jameson over at Scalefinishes can get that for you. So on that note, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.